Da, 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 da.
Hello guys, hello people. So today is what's today? Wednesday, the next day. You guys saw that we met Party Ranking yesterday. It was Tengu's birthday, and also yeah, just like a little hangout thing, and then we ended up meeting Party Ranking in person because he has a show coming up in Abuja very soon, and Hustle and Bustle were hosting him like yesterday, just a little thing he was doing. But anyway, yeah, today I have, see, the hustle continues. Okay, today I'm at a spa. Yes, another spa, but not to get a body anything done. It's like a foot spa basically, so it's going to be like a pedicure session and all that. I cannot wait. My feet are crying for some tender loving care, so I'm super excited that I get to do this today. So you guys will come along with me. Let's see what we get up to. The Instagram reel should already be up, or will be up after this vlog. I'm not sure, but you shall see it. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see. So yeah, let's go.
Don't you forget your boy, only one. If you wanted to hurt me, well, you feel big time, cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby, I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong. I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. If you wanted to hurt me, well, you feel big time, cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby, I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you, for you. So you need a little break, huh, boy? Say you need a little space, yeah, boy. Is it cause you can't be faithful, boy? Hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no, cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no, so you make up shitty reasons for, want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me?
Good morning guys, hope you guys are doing well. So today's Thursday. It's 2 days to my event. I'm just trying to see how I can start putting together this goodie bag because there's no more time. I don't want to get too stressed. I came up with the idea of, you know, packing these bags individually, like based on who and who are coming, just so that it's a lot more personalized, you know. So I'm going to like tag the bags with names. I've started cutting up like stuff I'm going to staple to the bags with names so that I know this bag is going to this person and this bag is going to this person. Just a nice thoughtful idea I came up with, so I can pack the bags according to the person coming. All right, so that's what I'm going to be doing this morning. I also have to pick up some items from a brand later today, and I may take Jesse to the venue because he hasn't seen the venue yet, and as my official photographer of the day, he has to see the venue before time, so I may take him there today as well. But I need to start packing these goodie bags. There are still some items that have not arrived, but whenever they arrive, I'll just throw them into the bags. Yeah, so let me just get the bulk of the work done, and then yeah, that's it. I'm going to just be writing the names on this stuff over here. I don't know if I mentioned in my last vlog that the Afro Beauty is sponsoring with some discount vouchers. So everybody coming would have this in their goodie bag. It has a discount code behind with my name, right? Really, really nice and thoughtful. So this is going into the goodie bags as well. Every single person coming will get this. All right, so let's start packing with what we have here.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. And I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. So you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. I was young and broken when I met you that night. Should've known you were something that would mess with my mind. Oh, but I won't put the blame on me. You're the one to be honest, yeah. 'Cause you can handle emotions.
Done for now. This is what we are working with, and I tagged everybody's name on their bag. Super stressful, but I enjoyed doing this so much. Like this one is for Ruki Okani. This one is for Enyojo Comfort Alifa. This one is for Princess Jennifer Ubaka, aka Princess Jekoko. This one is for Ogom Obwefi, Ogom series, Adobe Nolly. So I tagged everybody's names on the bag. This is Uyime Odofia, Enuma Ekwago. Super happy that I'm done with these. For the other few products coming in, I'll just throw them as they come. It's easier that way. Over here are extras that I will be giving, you know, I'm going to be giving 2 bags from here for a giveaway, but not now. After the event, I'll be giving 2 bags away here on YouTube, and the rest I'll be giving to other people that may be coming, like some of my friends or family, you know. So yeah, very productive day. Let me go and have my bath. I have a lot to do this afternoon. I still have to go to town this afternoon, yeah, and I still have to film a reel for a brand before I go out today. So let me get on with it.
The next day.
Blessing.
Hello. Good evening.
What? This is so pretty. People were wearing feathers, so feathers. Oh, but this is so pretty. Oh my god. What? Look, Asine. Okay.
Your baby.
Asine, it feels like my birthday. It really does. Guys, look at my dress. Look at my dress. Look at my dress. Literally like a life-size doll right now. You get. Hey. Perfect. We're wearing feathers.
Much later.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then
Okay, it is a wrap on preparations. I am a tad bit nervous. My event is tomorrow. I'm excited but nervous, but I'll be fine. It's just the nerves. I'll be okay. I'm tired. That's all I have for you guys in this vlog. The next vlog you would see would be my beautiful event, because I know it's going to be beautiful. I'm tired, guys. let me go and sleep so that I can wake up tomorrow refreshed. And yeah guys, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in my next vlog.
Wake up, keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, no.